Hey guys, welcome to Rubik's Technique. Today I am going to tell you how to solve an cube fissure. It's a shape mod of cube. So let's begin. Before getting started, I will tell you the moves in this cube. So this is the R move and this is the L move. This piece is the common between these two moves. So I will tell you the valid and invalid moves. So you have to remember, this is a valid move. After that there will be an invalid move. After this it is a valid move, and after this invalid. Valid and invalid. So I will tell you the pieces in detail. So this is the corner piece in the cube and this is the edge piece. So as you can see, this is an edge piece and these are the center pieces. So 1, 2 and 3, 4 are the center pieces, but for our convenience we will say them as edge pieces. And this is also a corner piece, but we will say as the center piece. So let's begin. So there is no need to open your cube. For just showing, I opened it. Okay, I have got my cube scrambled. So we will start from white. Okay, the yellow center is here, so we'll bring it down here. So okay, now it does, and we will bring all the edge piece here by the colors. So you can take a reference from the 3x3 Rubik's cube. Now we will bring this. So here it is the green color piece. So but the green color piece is flipped, but it's on its correct position. So we'll turn it like here, turn it like this, you can see, and bring this back. After that this piece will went down, we'll bring it also back. After that here will be fitting the blue piece. So here we'll turn it, and after that bring it back here. So this is also flipped, so we will apply the same trick. If you don't know a cube, you can click on the I button appearing here, or the link is in the description. So now our plus is made. Now our second goal is to bring the corners here. So this is so you have to see which corner is in the upper layer. So here it is the red and the blue one. So we'll bring it down here, but this piece goes away. So we'll bring it here, hide this piece, bring this piece back and bring this again. So now there is no piece in the upper layer. So we'll keep this piece at the back and apply this algorithm, which is R prime, L, R, L prime. So now here is a red and the green piece. So we'll bring it here. After that we'll turn it back. We'll turn this and bring it here. But this piece got scrambled. So we'll afterwards insert it. Now here we'll be fitting the which is the orange and the green one. So it should be fitting here. So we'll insert it. So sometimes you have to keep this piece at the back and apply the algorithm, so you get the another piece matched. Now sometimes you also get this case in which your two pieces are flipped like this. So you have to keep it like this and apply that algorithm 2 times. After this you get this case in which what you have to do to keep this piece facing us and apply the algorithm for 2 times. So now you get these 2 pieces flipped. Now you have to keep this piece and again apply the algorithm 2 times. Now there are 3 pieces flipped. So you have to keep the correct piece at the back and apply the algorithm till all gets corrected. So here it is. So in this cube, in this case, the last layer case, what we do is, you get this case in which 2 pieces are correct and 2 pieces are incorrect. So we keep this at the back and apply the algorithm 2 times. So you get this case in which 4 pieces are flipped. So we'll keep it like this. So this should face back and apply the algorithm 2 times. So these 2 pieces should move, not these 2. So we'll keep it like here and apply algorithm till it gets corrected. Now you have to keep it like this. This piece should face here and apply the algorithm till it gets corrected or the plus is made. So you have to hold this cube like this. In this way, this piece should face left side. So you'll hold this cube like this and apply the algorithm till the piece gets corrected or all pieces are flipped. So all pieces are flipped. In this case, what we do is keep these pieces like here and apply the algorithm 2 times. So in this cube, we have to apply the algorithm 8 times. Now let's apply. We'll take this back. 1, 2, 3. Then you get this one. So you have to keep applying that till your cube gets solved. After applying the algorithm, your cube gets solved. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please click the like button, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe.